Greetings to one and all. This is G. Pushpa Antoinette Sheba, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Auxilium College, Autonomous, discussing with you all. The topic which we have taken today is Introduction to Data Mining. What is data mining all about? Data mining is also called knowledge discovery and data mining. Data mining is extraction of useful patterns from data sources. What are all the data sources? Databases, text, images, etc. And patterns must be valid, it must be novel, it must be potentially useful, and it must be understandable too. Give some examples for discovered patterns. Association rules talks about the example of discovered patterns. 80% of customers who buy cheese and milk also buy bread, and 5% of customers buy all of them together, cheese, milk, and bread. So this is one of the discovered pattern, which is a real-time example where data mining plays a role. That too, association rules are playing a major role here. Main data mining task, classification. What is all about classification? Mining the patterns that can classify future data into known classes. Association rule mining, mining any rule of the form where X tends to Y, and all these are sets of data items. Clustering, identifying a set of similarity groups in the data. So, classification, association rule mining, and clustering are some of the data mining tasks. And to continue with data mining task, sequential pattern mining. A sequential rule A tends to B says that event A will be immediately followed by event B within a certain confidence. Deviation detection, discovering the most significant changes in data. So that is all about deviation detection. There are some changes to happen in the big data also. How do we detect the deviation? That is all about deviation detection. Data visualization, using graphical methods to show patterns in data, is called data visualization. Why is data mining so important? Rapid computerization of business produce huge voluminous amount of data. How to make best use of data? So that is a $100 question. A growing realization, knowledge discovered from data can be used for competitive advantage. So data mining becomes very important here. Why is data mining necessary? Make use of your data assets. We will always have assets in the form of data. How to make use of it productively? There is a big gap from stored data to knowledge, and the transition won't occur automatically. It has to be forced, it has to be formulated. Many interesting things you want to find cannot found using database queries. Find me people likely to buy my products. Who are likely to respond to my promotion? Nobody. So if you try mining, finding out results in the form of these queries, that is not going to work out for us. Then how to make data mining work? Why data mining now is so propaganded, so much talked about? Because the data is abundant. That is the first reason. The data is being warehoused everywhere. The computing power is affordable for everybody. And the competitive pressure is strong. The peer pressure is also there. We have to accept it. Data mining tools have become available for everybody. Related fields of data mining. Data mining is an emerging multidisciplinary field. So it has scope in statistics, machine learning, databases, IR, that is information retrieval, visualization application areas, and whatnot. We can continuously keep talking about this. So this KDD process in data mining is helping us to understand the application domain, identify the data sources, selecting the target data. What is the target data is all about? Where I have to start my mining with? Pre-processing. Pre-processing is all about cleaning the data, selecting the attribute. Data mining to extract patterns or models. Post-process. Post-process is all about identifying interesting or useful patterns, following the history, identifying and digging out the patterns from the big data, and incorporating the patterns into the real world. These 6 steps together is called as KDD process: understanding, identifying, pre-processing, mining, post-processing, and incorporating the pattern. Data mining applications, all the areas from a small scale to a large scale businessing, you can implement data mining. Marketing, profiling, retending, and retending your customers, segmenting your market, fraudulent detection like credit card frauds, intrusion detection, and big data includes scientific and rocketry related data analysis, text and web mining. Any application that involves a large amount of data can be set as data mining applications. Now here I have put up a web data extraction picture for you. The data region 1, from where you can get the data of the price. From data region 2, you can get the details of the products which has been added to the cart. And you have details about the other amenities, like what kind of monitor it is, either black and white or LCD or LED, how many inches. So many data regions are shown in this picture, which gives you details about various segments. Now, the same data which has been shown in the previous slide picture really has been shown here as in the format of the table. Image 1, what all the data has been extracted. Image 2, image 3, and image 4. Okay, moving forward, and like analyzing and getting the data, what kind of opinion analysis is done on the web? So usually if you take web analysis, it is mostly about word of mouth. The web has dramatically changed the way that consumers express their opinions nowadays. One can post reviews about the products, merchants, sites, forums, discussion groups, blogs, etc. Techniques are being developed to exploit these sources nowadays. Benefits of review analysis. Potential customer review analysis are there. Product manufacturers review analysis also we can get. No need to read many reviews, but retended customers and potential customers reviews, if you analyze, you can get an idea about the purchase of the product. Product manufacturer, market intelligence, product benchmarking, and whatnot. Feature-based analysis and summarization. Feature-based analysis and summarization is all about extracting the product features, opinion about the product that have been commented by the other customers, identifying opinion sentences in each review and deciding whether each opinion sentence is positive or negative, whether you have decided to buy it or not, summarizing and comparing the results. So all these feature-based analysis will help you to proceed with your purchase or to stop your purchase. So this is all about the basic things which is dealt with data mining. I hope this session would have been useful for you all. Thank you. This is Pushpa and Shipa signing off as of now.